powerful talents make her an unmatched huntress. Now, Susie, look at that flight, ladies and gentlemen. You do occasionally bring her out for some, enrichment, cognitive enrichment. She's semi-retired, by the way.
The Susie here weighs up to 4.7 kilograms. And up to high speed, she can lift up a prey weight up to 4 kilograms. Which is almost her entire body.
Well, here's another interesting fact about bald eagles. These birds build really huge nests. And you might be wondering, how big could be bald eagles' nest get? Well, it can be up to 10 feet wide. And if you're wondering how wide the nest is, let's take this so let's give out 10 feet wide. Not only that, it can be up to 20 feet tall, which is almost 3 times my height. Pretty impressive, right?
Very impressive. And it's a very big nest for a very big bird. I think Susie here has done a wonderful job. It's time for her to let go. Beautiful. Let's give her a big hand.
Here he comes!
The music's slowing down, but everybody's still dancing our troubles away. And we keep cruising, 'cause it feels just right. And we keep losing ourselves in this beautiful light. The night is a promise and the morning is bright. It's a party on a Saturday night. Dance till we're free, till it feels just right. Let's go party till the end of this night. Lift our spirits till we see the light. It's a party on a Saturday night. We'll dance till we're free, till it feels just right. Let's go party till the end of this night. We'll lift our spirits till we see the light. Oh yeah.
Well, this would be a very good way to identify them. On the left is the white-bellied eagle, and on the right is the Brahminy kite.
Now it's easy to spot the differences between these two birds. The size is the obvious difference, but there's also the coloration and the shape of their wings. So for the white-bellied seagulls, they have a V-shaped wing with a wedge-shaped tail.
And for the Brahminy kites, they are brownish in color, they have M-shaped wings with a U-shaped tail.
Now speaking about raptors, did you know about 2 million raptors migrate during the winter from their breeding grounds from Europe and Asia, flying all the way to as far as Africa? Now it is a perilous journey, and thousands never make it to their destination.
Yeah, thousands of these birds are being killed for sport. So we will need your help to save and protect them. Our skies will soon be empty.
Now birds of prey are vital to the health of our planet. They help to remove old sick animals and get rid of pests. Now one bird in particular helps us with pest control. And that bird is none other than the owls. And the rodents that these birds hunt for never hear them coming. Now that's because owls are masters of silent flying.
Well, folks, I would like all of you to be as quiet as possible. You didn't hear that, right? Now, ladies and gentlemen, the reason why owls are capable of silent flight is because, unlike other birds of prey, owls have this extremely soft edge at the tip of their feathers. So the sound frequency created by the wing flaps will be absorbed by those feathers. And not only that, these birds have wider wingspan, so they tend to glide often. And did you know that owls have excellent eyesight? In fact, they do have binocular vision.
That's right. Now speaking about the owl's eyes, the colors tells you when they tend to hunt. So owls with yellow color eyes, like Maya and Latseb over here, they hunt during the day. Owls with orange eyes hunt during sunrise and sunset. And last but not least, owls with dark black eyes, well, they hunt during the night. So then, I think our owls have done a wonderful job. It's time for them to head back home. So let's give them a big round of applause.
Well, so we just saw nature's pest controllers. And we're going to move on to nature's cleanup crew. Now, when I say cleanup crew, right, what type of a bird of prey comes to your mind?
Vultures!
Oh, say louder, please.
Vultures!
Louder! Vultures, that's right. But unfortunately, vultures are widely misunderstood birds of prey. You know, when we watch TV, they usually portray vultures as evil birds, soaring high up in the sky. And then there's this ominous music in the background with a sense of impending doom. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are here to tell all of you the real story.
Now, vultures are nature's cleanup crew. They use columns of air to fly and glide in search for carcasses, using their strong sense of sight and
Ara sa likod to.
Now, vultures helps us prevent the spread of diseases.
So everyone, let's meet the very first vulture, Zena, turkey vulture. Ladies and gentlemen, the turkey vultures can be found in the Americas, and they are pretty abundant in the wild, close to about 10 million of them. And these birds have an excellent sense of smell. They're able to pick up the stench of rotting meat from miles away.
So that means if there's a dead animal nearby, turkey vultures are the first ones on the scene. And then the trigger vultures will help rip apart the tough hide of the animal.
And did you know that turkey vultures have got extremely acidic stomach acid, gastric acid, almost 0 pH level? Now the stomach acid is as acidic as car batteries, so this actually enables them to digest caviar nutrition well. Well, Zena is not well, you can hit that phone though, you know what home is? Come back, see you later. There you go, round of applause for Zena, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. This looks like a very chaotic scene, lots of vultures, other scavengers as well, feeding on a huge carcass, trying to rip it down into bones. Now, to me, this looks like a very disorganized feeding frenzy.
But Chandra, what if I told you that vultures are social species and they respect their place in the pecking order? So when vultures gather,
Nakakaon sila
there's a
karne.
feeding protocol.
Kaon sila
So
karne.
everyone, let's meet the very first vulture to the meal, our African white-bellied vulture.
Malara na siya.
Ladies and gentlemen, the white-bellied vultures can be found in Africa and they are pretty aggressive feeders. About 200 to 300 of these birds are capable of stripping down a huge carcass as large as that one right over there, down to bones, clean, within 20 to 30 minutes. That's how fast they are. But unfortunately, the African white-backed vultures are critically endangered in the wild.
Now moving on to the hind ligaments of the carcass, enter the Scavengers vulture, the heavyweight from Europe. Now these birds are solitary creatures, except for when they mate or have chicks. Now our male right back there has strong gripping feet and a hook beak to help rip apart the tough hide of the animal to eat chunks of flesh.
Very nice indeed. Oh, he's got two more.
Those two?
Those two, what are those?
I think you're not scavengers.
I think they're trying to audition for the show. We don't realize that this is a little free show. Okay, moving along, folks, we've got two more scavengers to showcase to everyone. So let's welcome our Madam Storks. Ladies and gentlemen, we are lovely Raptor stock. They can also be found in Africa, and they're known to coexist with vultures in the wild. When you take a closer look at the Raptor stock, you will notice that it has a dagger-like beak and also a stern old man face. That's why they're also known as the old man stock.